I was sent a magnetic Stanley cup organizer and so excited for this. I was actually sent a couple sets of them. So I'm going to show you how to use it, what comes with it. When it arrives, they are together. So you're just going to pull them apart. Very simple. You have your magnet on one side and then the opening on the other side where your tumbler is going to go. You also get a lid organizer that is magnetic as well. If you wanted to drill it into a wall instead of going onto something like your refrigerator, you do have that option, and you can see there are holes for drilling. So that is an option. Okay, let's get started. So putting it on, super simple. You can see that it is a very strong magnet, but it is refrigerator safe. So it's not gonna scratch up your refrigerator, which is super, super important, right? And one thing you wanna do is make sure that the larger circle, so I'll show you with this one, the larger circle is facing up. So the bottom is just a little bit smaller than the top circle. So make sure that does go up. All right, ready to drop my Stanleys in. And there we go. The first time I put it in, they actually didn't drop in perfectly symmetrical. So you may have to kind of put it in a couple times just to stretch these out so that they're symmetrical, because you don't want one Stanley higher than the other. All right, easy breezy. That would be easy to take off, fill it with ice and water, and be out the door. But we also have our lid holder. Now, when we moved, we got a ding in our refrigerator, and it has really bothered me because it's hard to really cover this up. It's in such a weird spot, but this is like the perfect size for it. So look at that, boom. Little cover up right there. Take our lids and pop those on. Lid, and then any other lids you may have, these fit as well. So here's some other examples of lid sizes, and those seem to fit no problem. So if you wanted to stack other lids, you're good to go. Okay, now sizes of other tumblers. I have some other examples as well. So here's another size. Fits great. Here's another size. Fits great. So you can see, you can do all different size ones. Okay, here's a little one. Let's see if my kids' one would fit. Nope, that one would be too small. So it does have to have sort of a bigger area at the top for it to stay. Okay, that size, you're good to go. So you kind of have to have at least a little bit of space there. But man, think of all the different tumblers you can store with these. It doesn't have to just be Stanleys. I think that's amazing. We make a lot of smoothies in the morning, so this would be really, really convenient to keep our smoothie making cups up here, ready to go, and then we put our blender right here. Okay, voila, my beverage station is ready. You could design this however works for your home. If you have an espresso machine, you could put it on the side of that. Whatever works best for you. I think this is awesome, and I think you're gonna love it too.